Many of the Surrealists were fantastically knowledgeable about magic and the occult. They owned books about alchemy, and they were also familiar with philosophical ideas related to the esoteric tradition. A lot of the paintings that we find in Surrealism seem completely bizarre, fantastic, and enigmatic at first sight. But if we take our time, we can understand the symbolism behind them, trying to unpiece the riddle that the artists confront us with. Leonora Carrington's The Necromancer, for instance, is very much built on color symbolism, which is used in a lot of the works, which are dominated by black, white, and red. Black and white for Carrington symbolize the alchemical union of opposites, cosmic dualities and analogies, as in day and night, male and female, life and death. And in this painting, the robes of the figure on the left signify him as a magician who has the power to give new life to dead subject matter. On the table, we find a glass instrument that alludes to the fantastical machinery inside the alchemist's laboratory, and the implication of the painting is that the magician has the power to bring dead matter back to life. There are countless symbols of resurrection and rebirth that we find in the composition, like in the background, for instance, the fantastical butterflies with transparent wings, the eggs, a typical symbol of female power of creativity in the work of Leonora Carrington, and of course the color red in the background, because red is the key color of alchemical transformation, a color Carrington was obsessed with.